Hello everyone. First, let me thank you all for your great response receiving continuously on my previous videos. My motive is to bring right approach in front of you. And once we'll start implementing, we can together deal with any health challenges. Today, we'll discuss on water retention challenge, or we call it as edema. My observation while attending cases of weight gain, focus is to reduce weight, but many of them are unaware water retention also contributes in gaining weight. So let's understand what is water retention. Your body holds water in various parts, and this excess water causes your body to swell, right? Let's understand what are the factors due to which water retention takes place. First is diet, second is your menstrual period due to hormonal changes, which is very natural, and third is your genetics. But still we can get relief by making lifestyle changes. So let's understand causes of water retention. Intake too much salt. Excess salt holds water in your body, means आपके शरीर में पानी जमा होता है, आपके एब्डोमिनल, आपके आर्म्स में, आपके थाई में, आपके पैर में, आपके फीट में. We need to scrap this habit from childhood. Intaking too much salt in the form of sauces, chips, processed food, packaged food and different types of masalas. आजकल तो पेरी पेरी मसाला is on boom. Let's go to next topic. Next is your medication intake. High BP, which is connected with your excess salt. Pain relief, antidepressant, chemotherapy medications. If you want to keep your lifestyle healthy, you don't have to see the faces of medicine. Third, standing and sitting too long hours causes your tissue to hold water. The key is to keep blood circulation. Example which I would like to share with you, sitting continuously while studying or working on laptop feels like numb in your body. In Marathi we say sun झालाय. Also standing, I should give you the example like we stand in kitchen for long hours, 2 to 3 hours, which also causes water retention. Pregnancy. The upper weight of your body causes weight on the lower part of the body, due to which pregnant women complains about swellings. Next is your weak heart that can't pump blood, which causes your body to hold water. Next is your hormonal pills. Birth control pills also causes water retention. Next is DVT. DVT is deep vein thrombosis. Clot in vein takes place, due to which patient suffers from leg swelling. So now we have understood about causes of water retention and how to cure. This we will discuss right now. First, potassium and magnesium rich food balances sodium level, flush out toxin and increase your urine production. So whatever body has hold the water will remove out. Next is your vitamin B6 food intake. Third is your yogurt, which is high in potassium, which you need to take daily. Fourth is your intake of fiber. Next is your add natural diuretics to your diet, garlic, beetroot, pumpkins and many more. Next is wearing compression socks, which keeps blood circulation. And last is your exercise, which we recommend age wise. It's risky to detail out in this video. So given diet proportion needs attention, as many patients have different challenges like diabetes, kidney dysfunction, heart disease. So I will request you to please consult your dietitian whenever you take any decision. Hope this video has given you a short gist on water retention. If any challenges, you can approach me. Thank you.